I'm sick as fuck. And I'm pretty sure it's a flu. I haven't gotten ready in like 4 days. And I woke up today and I was like, I feel minimally better. Let's get ready today. Alright, so to kick things off, we're gonna prime. I was cheap and I bought the travel size Porefessional, the Pearl Porefessional. Wait, yeah, this is the Pearl one. I was cheap and I bought the travel size, so now I'm like out of it. Do you guys remember when we saw that Pinterest hack that was like, if you think you're out of your makeup, cut it, and then you got like another week's worth of makeup? Because I remember that shit. The reason I'm putting this one on specifically is not just because it's the only primer I have, which is true. It's because it's Pearl, so it's gonna make your skin look good, especially because it's all dry and disgusting from being sick. It's Pearl, so it'll make you look like less dead. I don't know why I didn't put my hair up. Ugh. Listen, this is too dark for me right now because I haven't tanned in like a week and a half. And this is my tan foundation. However, it's so light, it's the MAC Waterweight Foundation, that I'm gonna put this shit on anyways. And I'm not gonna put that much on. I'm just putting it on because it's so light. It's gonna make me look not that like heavy coverage, but like, oh fuck, it's dark. Oh. So I can't find my foundation brush, so I'm just gonna put this on with my fingers. Or I got a sponge. Here's a sponge. Next thing's next, concealer. So I haven't done my makeup in so many days that the concealer just, it fell. This is the Maybelline in shade 15. Listen to this bullshit. Shade 15 is lighter than shade 10. Found that out the hard way when I accidentally bought shade 10 and I was like, bitch, this is too dark for me. But it is. Anyways, blend that shit in. Just get it in there with your grimy ass sick sponge. Okay. So, real talk, I look better already. Like, I don't look that fucking bad right now. And I'm actually pretty hyped about it, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna go like that ham today because I'm already fucking winded, like, from this. So, I'm probably just gonna do like some face shit. And then my eyeball, well, maybe some eyeballs, but like my eyebrows and shit like that. And then call it a day. But like, I already feel like I look better. Where the fuck is my contour stick? God damn it. Alright, well, I guess we're not creme contouring today. So I'm just gonna powder contour. Usually I use cream contour, but I'm just gonna powder contour today. First I'm gonna set my face with the Stay Matte, and I'm not gonna use that much because I don't really want a lot of powder on my face right now. That doesn't sound fun to me. So I kind of just go on my, what am I saying? I go fucking everywhere with this shit. On my T-zone ass looking bitch. Okay. Get that shit on there. Next up, we're gonna powder contour. I'm using the Sephora brand palette. It's really good. And I'm gonna take the middle brown color and just slap that shit in there. I'm really bad at contouring. I feel like I could do my forehead okay, but like, I mean, I have a fucking 5 head. Like, you just kind of gotta slap that on there. You know what I mean? Like, there's not too much rhyme or reason contouring a forehead. But my cheeks, oh shit. Look how much I put. Okay, there's the fucking problem. I have a dick nose, if you haven't noticed. it doesn't look that penisy right now, but I promise you, look at this shit. I promise you it's a dick nose. So I contour that, but literally, don't be fooled by how, like, when I say I contour it, I go like this, and then I go like that, and that's it. Like, that's the nose contouring. And I know there's so much more, like, science. God damn it, why is this coming off so fucking heavy today? What the fuck? So normally it doesn't look this bad. Maybe it does, I'm just fucking dumb. But I feel like normally I look a lot better. Okay, so because I was like a fucking broad's nightmare, we're just gonna blend that in with the powder brush we used earlier. There we go. Okay, take some down here. Okay, girl. If y'all have been sleeping on Essence, I need you to wake up. Because Essence is fucking fantastic. This palette is great. You got like a nice little corally, peachy blush. It's called just Peachy. And then you got a berry one that's called Berry Beautiful. Then you got two highlighters down here. Time to Glow and Golden Girl. These are a little too dark for me when I'm not self-tanning, not gonna lie to you. However, I'm really pale when I'm not self-tanning. But even then, they're great eyeshadow. You know what I mean? So, it still works, you know? This was a great buy. It was like $10. I don't know what an apple of my cheekbone is, but I kind of just slap it on above the contour. Which I know, like, you look, like, you're like, well, yeah, like, it doesn't go below the contour, but, like, there's more to this than what I'm doing. And there's something I'm missing. So next up in this shit show is gonna be highlighters. So remember when I said if y'all are sleeping on Essence, you need to wake the fuck up? Well, if y'all are sleeping on Wet n Wild, I need you to wake the fuck up. Their highlighters they're fucking good, okay? They're fucking great. So I'm gonna take Golden Flower Crown on this fan brush and just put that shit on. Oh. And I put some on my nose. And I put some here. And I put a little more there. Aw, fuck. That's some good shit right there. Okay. And then I put some here. And here. And there. The next thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. So I use a combination of the, oh my god, I can't even read this. The City Color Bold Brow? Bold Brow or Build Brow? I'm pretty sure it's the Bold Brow. I don't know. I got it in an Ipsy bag a long time ago. But this shit's still going strong, actually. I still have a lot of this. And like, you guys can see, I don't have eyebrows. Like, I draw these shits on. So I'm going to use a combination of that and the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. They don't look that bad, actually. I should probably, I mean, I have leftover concealer on my fingers. I'll just prime my eyeballs with that. Oh my god, this looks like shit. Okay, cool. Oh, yep, it's really sticking. It's really doing its thing. Okay, I took Flame, and I'm just gonna put, like, I put it on my eyelid. And you know what? I actually like it. I like how it turned out. Cute. Okay, cool. So I use a combination of the Essence Lash Princess and the Benefit Roller Lash. This is the Roller Lash in brown. And I really like both of them. I feel like the Lash Princess is really great at volumizing. Is that a word? Voluminize? You know what I'm saying. Like, giving my lashes a lot of volume. I feel like it's really great at doing that. And I feel like the Roller Lash is really great at separating them. So, it's a really good combination. So last but not least, I'm gonna put on this Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. I've never used it before. Yesterday, my darling mother came home and she said, hey, I went to Target and when I was walking back to my car, this was on the ground and it was sealed, and there was no one around me, so like who am I gonna give it to? And so she gave it to me. So it's got like a little, one of these little applicators. Look how it shits it out. Okay. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Garnier. Oh. Bitch, I can smell. Fuck. Alright, so all things considered, I feel like I did do a little bit of a decent job at making myself look not so dead. I feel a fuck ton better. I know about 90% of that is the Dayquil I took an hour ago. I would like to say that a little bit of that is that I took, 45 minutes to kind of get back into my routine and slap a face on and shit like that. I'm not saying if you're sick, you gotta take time that should be spent resting, and spend that time doing your makeup, because you shouldn't. You should rest. However, it has been like 4 days. I've been cooped up in this room. I've been getting cabin fever. I wanted to do something that would make me feel a little bit more like myself. Anyways, if you're sick, I hope you feel better soon. If you're not, I hope you don't get sick anytime soon. Okay, goodbye. Have a great day.